Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to talk about wiring your winch on your Thumper Fab headache rack. We're going to start by finding a place to put your winch contactor. The best area we found is under the rear seat, right here. In order to mount your winch contactor, it comes with a bracket. You can mount your bracket to the side of this box. You can place the winch contactor on top of your bracket and then place the contactor underneath the lip of the bucket, and then you can mark your holes with a marker. Your kit will come with self-drilling screws. Just put your screw on your mark and screw it in. Careful not to over tighten. Now that we have our bracket mounted, we can place the winch contactor on the bracket and secure it with the two supplied zip ties. When you're routing your wires, you want to make sure you keep it from any moving parts or hot areas. Now it's time to hook your wires up to your winch. You got one blue and one yellow. The winch has a blue and a yellow on it, corresponding colors. There are slots on top of the plate for you to put your zip ties and tie your wires down. Now you can mount your switch in your plate. This hole right here is designed to mount the switch with the supplied hardware. You can either mount it on the driver's side or the passenger side. Now that you have ran your winch switch wires to your contactor box, you just simply plug up your black wire to your black wire, blue to blue, and your red will need to go to a key-on ignition source. You don't want to connect the red wire straight to your battery because it will leave your winch on and drain your battery. So now all you have left to do is hook your negative cable up to your negative terminal on your battery, and then hook your positive cable up to your positive cable on your battery.